used to say forever, you and I. At night, it was just you and me.